Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the LiveTech KB03 Premium Keyboard. On the front of the box, we have an image of the keyboard itself. On the bottom, we have a few of the salient features which include anti-ghost keys. It is designed for great key feel. It is also crafted with strong components and rugged materials and gives you an incredible typing experience. On the left hand side, we simply have some premium keyboard branding. On the right hand side, it's the same. The bottom is pretty much the same as the top. And over here we have a slogan that says technology at the speed of light. On the back of the box, we have a few more salient features on the left, which include an ergonomic design, raised keys, strong structure, anti-ghost keys, FN plus multimedia keys and Windows lock, USB 2.0 with gaming cable, plug and play technology, a rugged body, and a key life of 1 crore clicks. On the right hand side over here we have the various social media handles and website of the brand. Over here we have some importing and manufacturing information along with the customer care details. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the keyboard itself, and as we can see, it has a black color theme going for it. There are a couple of textures in the black though, so the keys have a grainy black texture to them, while the main body has a random geometric pattern. The keys themselves are quite nice and tactile and have a nice feel to them, and they also make a pleasing sound while being pressed. The keys are elevated from the main body quite a bit as well. Over here on the space bar we have the LiveTech branding, the lighting strip which would light up if the num lock or caps lock is activated is finished in blue. On the bottom of the keyboard we have these two feet that you can pop out like this to adjust the keyboard at a particular angle if that is more comfortable for you, and we also have 4 anti-skid pads on the bottom, so if you want to keep the keyboard on a smooth surface it won't slide around too much. We also have a sticker with the model name and the voltage value, which is 5 volts at 100 milliamps. Coming now to the cable, we have measured it out to be approximately 5.5 feet long, and on the end of the cable we have a USB type A interface. The interface is golden in color, but we are not sure if it is simply gold in color or gold plated. So this was the unboxing of the LiveTech KB03 Premium Keyboard. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.